Hello everybody, welcome back again to the another new video. If you are interested in cybersecurity and ethical hacking, then this video is only for you. If you have ever played a CTF machine or ever solved a CTF challenge, then you might have interact with Netcat. In this video, I'll show you my own tool which I have made before, which name is DGRNet, which is a quite replacement of Netcat, which you can use in your cybersecurity journey and ethical hacking to improve your efficiency and productivity. But before dive into this video, here is a quick disclaimer for you. This video is only for educational purposes only. All contents are provided in this video is meant for educational purposes. So don't misuse this information provided in this video to harm anybody or to get unauthorized access into a system where you don't have permission to test on. So always use on your own isolated virtual lab, as I am doing. I am setting up my virtual lab and I am performing all this kind of action in an isolated environment. So try to do that. Don't hide any other's privacy, as it is a crime. So don't try. But before diving into the actual content of this video, let me just show you a quick overview of Netcat. I mean, what a Netcat is and how my tool is often considered as the replacement of Netcat, or it's not fully the replacement of Netcat, but quite similar. So a Netcat is often referred as the Swiss Army knife or a networking tool. Is a versatile utility used in cybersecurity and networking for creating and managing network connections. It is available for both Unix, Linux, and Windows systems. There are several features in Netcat such as port scanning, file transfer, banner grabbing, backdoor creation, listening and debugging, relay and proxying, and many more. But this video is not on Netcat. This video is fully on DGRNet, which is my own tool. So let me just show you what I am talking about. So let me go into my GitHub page. You can download this and Netcat tool from my GitHub page. The link in the description below. Here is my DGRNet. As you can see here, this is the official GitHub page of DGRNet tool, which is mine. And here are the installation command you can follow to install the tool on your system. And it is, I will prefer to install it on your Linux device as an attacking machine. You can also use it on Windows like system, but remember to install Python at first. So to install this tool, you can just copy this URL like this copy link address and go to your attacking machine, such as your Kali Linux or any kind of Linux distribution you are using on, and on the terminal you just simply have to give the command sudo and git clone. After that, paste the URL which you have copied before and hit enter. I am hitting my password and hit enter. Sorry. Okay, so I already have installed a DGRNet before, so I cannot install it again. So to install it, I have to remove that pre-install. I will just simply remove my DGRNet tool. And now I will hit the command again, and you can see here it is cloning the DGRNet tool into our Kali Linux machine. And you can see here is my DGRNet tool. Just then this folder DGRNet. You can see here there are several files. You have to focus on this the requirement.txt file. By mistakenly I have added the .txt extension twice time, so it doesn't matter on such a kind of system. So you can just hit the command pip to install all the requirement for this tool. You have to install pip install requirement.txt and hit enter. So I already have installed previously, so I don't have to install it again. So it is showing some kind of error. In your case, it might not be visible. So you make sure you have to install all this package by hitting this command. All the commands are given in my GitHub page. You can follow here. And the next command is you have to give the executable permission to that Python file which you have installed, which is the DGRNet.py. And in order to do that, you have to paste this command and you have to run this as a sudo, and you can see here that our dgrnet.py is now executable file, and you have to now enter the command python3 dgrnet.py to see its manual. So as you can see, this is the banner of the tool. I know this is not quite interesting or not so beautiful. I am making it, I am developing it, but for now you can use it as your own. Here you can see all the manual of this command. The -l option or --listen is for listening on a specific port, or -p option is for a port, and -t option is for to specify the target IP address, -e for the to execute some kind of files on the target system, -c is for initialize a command shell, and -u for uploading a file to a destination. You can prefer these examples here. I will show you by performing this live on my Windows machine. So let me now explain why you need this tool and what is the requirement of this tool in your cybersecurity and ethical hacking journey. So basically, whenever we hack into a system or we penetrate into a system, so after getting initial access, we have to get a stable shell into our hacking machine to perform some kind to perform further privilege escalation like tasks. So in order to do that, we use a popular tool which is a Netcat. You might have used before, which is a very versatile and very popular tool and very stable it is. We used those tools to get a reverse shell from the target system to into our attacking machine. So I have made this tool on the language of Python to get a reverse shell similar kind of like a Netcat, but it is not fully supportive on all system, and it is not it doesn't provide such features like Netcat, but you can use it. As I have made this tool, you have to try it once. So you can follow my GitHub page also. So why this is why you need this tool to try. So in order to use Netcat, you have to install this tool on both on your attacking machine and your target machine. So you have to install this tool on the both devices, on the both systems. So here is my Windows terminal. You can see here, this is my Windows machine terminal, and for this video I am making my own Windows machine, attacking machine. I mean, sorry, a target machine basically, and my Kali Linux system as an attacking machine. So I will get a shell from this window machine to my attacking machine or my Kali Linux machine. Here is how we can do it. So let us see. So let me just first check my IP address by typing the command ifconfig, and you can see here on the ETH0 interface, this is the IP address of mine, which is 192.168.159.128. Let me just copy it, and also you can see here on my target machine I also have installed and DGRNet before. You have to install it. If you don't, the and you can see here is my all the file which we have seen on our attacking machine on Kali Linux. And ignore this test file. This is a demo file or a dummy file which I have made yesterday, but it doesn't necessary, so I am removing it. And you can see here it has been removed now. and you can now give the command to get a reverse shell from the uh, Windows machine to the Linux machine. So as you can see here, now I'm going to show you an example how you can get a reverse shell using the tool DGRNet. So in order to do that, let me just grab my IP address here, my Windows system, which is 192.168.1.52.30. So let me just open up a listener here. Um, it's a quite a different like a Netcat because I will show you. Let me show you. After that, I will demonstrate. First, you have to give the command Python 3, then DGRNet.py. -L is for listening, and after that, you have to specify the port number. Basically, in this case, I am specifying the port number, which is 4444. And after that, you have to give the -c option for initializing a command shell and hit enter. As you can see here, on my Windows machine, there is a listening on 0.0.0.0 and port 4444. Here the point 0.0.0 directly stands to that it is listening on all interfaces available on my Windows machine. That means whatever the interface available on my Windows machine, I can connect from it from everywhere. So now back into our packing machine. So here I have to give the command Python 3, then dgrnet.py. For that, -t for specifying the target and the IP address of my Windows machine, which is 192.168.52.30. After that, the port number, which is 4444, and hit enter. And you can't see here anything which is given us a reverse shell, but you have to enter enter Control D here, and you can see here we have a shell which is a DGR, and you can just check whether we got a shell or not by performing a command who am I, and you can see ANONDGR /Rajan, which is my host name of Windows machine. You can see here, if I show you who am I. I think my A is not working correctly, so let me just copy it and paste it here, and you can see here, which is ANONDGR -Rajan, which is same as the shell we have got. So here it is confirmed that we have gotten a reverse shell on our attacking machine from our target machine, and you can see here connection accepted from this machine, which is my IP address and my port number. So after getting the reverse shell, you can perform all the tasks which you perform by after gaining a reverse shell on Netcat like tool. So if you enter the command ls, then you can see here all the directories over here. If you enter the command pwd, then you can see the path. As it is a Windows system, you can give a command a dir, and all the command basically you can perform here. It is a stable shell. Basically you can do all your tasks here. So when you performed your all the tasks, you can just exit from this terminal by hitting the command by pressing Control C, and it will be interrupted basically. So in this way, you can use this terminal to improve your efficiency in ethical hacking like tasks and CTF solving like problems. So basically use in your cybersecurity journey and in your ethical hacking journey basically. So this tool is made up of 100% of Python. You can visit my GitHub page, my official GitHub page, link in the description below. You can download in this tool into your attacking machine or your attacker machine. So So if you have any kind of doubt or any kind of troubleshooting issues regarding this tool, you can just comment down below. I'll try to resolve your query first. Also, if you have any idea to improve this tool and to improve this functionality of this tool, and if you troubleshoot any kind of bugs, then you can report on my GitHub page here. So at last, if you found this video is helpful and knowledgeable, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to for getting my further video notification. So that's it for this video, and see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.